We are going to be flying to the United States to begin the refit on our own new boat, and that's why we need to pack up, and that's why we had to blow up the avalanche airbags, because unfortunately Alaskan Airlines does not allow full airbag canisters in their flights, so only empty ones. And we have about 1/3 of our stuff here. It's a lot. There's 2 board bags, 1 ski bag, several luggage bags, but we have called the airline and they have assured us that we can take 10 bags each, is what they promised us. We're gonna see how that goes. You cannot pre-book them, you have to go to the airport and then pay for them and so on. Gonna be interesting. This is all of our stuff that we are gonna take with us into the airplane. Wish us good luck with that. And that's the end of the project with Arctica and our time with Arctica. We had a good time, but it's time to kind of start with our own boat. Bye bye! So we drove to the airport, paid a bunch to get our luggage checked in, flew to the States and arrived dead tired. Nami. Tässä voisi oikeasti laittaa käsiä näitä silmällä tämän linnun kakkaan. Maybe get some gloves on. Here we go. It's the first real work day here on the boat, and now we are starting here on the outside. So he's already taking off the stack pack from the mainsail, and we are going to be doing a lot of stuff today. But before we start, I just want to document the state of this thing as it is right now. I think it's going to be fun to look at these images once we are done with the process, at least if we survive the process first. Yummy! There's bird nests inside as well, but luckily no eggs. Yeah, this is what we are working with. We don't have tools yet, so we have a bread knife. And that's everything. Usually on a boat like this, I think you'd expect to find some tools inside, because we found a lot of other stuff, but we didn't find, there were no tools, so we had to like order everything. But until we get the stuff, this is what we are working with. We have this and 1 screwdriver, and I think I have a Leatherman somewhere. We were not able to do even 1 day without need some needle nose pliers and we need like just a socket set to get the mainsail off. But luckily I found some nice people who told us they'd borrow us tools if we need them. Check out this boat here, Salt and Tar. They built this from the scratch and they might have some tools for me. Ruth and Garrett are not here, but they told me that I can actually go inside and look for the tools, which is really nice of them. And this boat is just so beautiful. Think about it, they built this from the scratch. That's like absolutely crazy to me. Even the solar panels with this beautiful wood trim, and I really like this workboat style. I think this is extremely cool. I can't believe that someone builds things like this out of scratch. I mean, I hope you don't expect like this kind of a detail on our boat, because I don't think you might not get it, at least this kind of aesthetic beauty. And this is the inside. I asked them if I can take a quick look and check this out. It's so cool. Wow. It's pretty cool. Their channel is one of the few ones that I occasionally check. So it's called Salt and Tar. I'm gonna put the link up there in the description. Go and check it out. I'm gonna find the tools now. Aha! This is absolutely the single most satisfactory boat job ever. So I'm just gonna put some cheesy music on the background so you can enjoy it in its whole glory. Hei hei. Menen nukkumaan. Good night, pressure washer. You did well.
Jep.
And you as well.
Ja onko tää melko ällöttävä olo? Mun sukat on ollut märät koko päivä.
So today I didn't do anything. I just stared at the boat and tried to figure out what to do with some of the systems. And so we washed the whole boat.
Yep.
I think we need to get the pressure washer like for one more day still.
Yeah, but it looks pretty nice already. At least from the outside. I like from here.
You see? It's just a little bit too dark. We're gonna see tomorrow. But today I was completely useless. I didn't really get anything done. I just stared at the boat and various parts of the boat and tried to figure out how things work and how to make things better. Now it's kind of late and we should probably get something to eat and get a little bit of sleep as well. Tomorrow I think it's game on again. Mitä kuuluu?